Hello everyone, welcome to the Fix to Error channel. In this video, we will talk about solutions for friends who get the error Instagram page isn't available right now. If you're ready, let's start. The crash on the Instagram server can cause us to encounter various errors like this. For this, you must first check the Instagram servers by accessing the link in the article. If there seems to be any problem with the servers, you will have to wait for it to be fixed. The problem with the new update of Instagram may cause you to encounter the error. You can temporarily use the Instagram Lite application for this. This recommendation only applies to Android users. Install and check Instagram Lite via Google Play Store. Problems with some servers may prevent Instagram from being used. You can eliminate the error by performing a VPN connection to quickly connect to the Instagram servers. Install the VPN application by accessing the link in the article. Then open the VPN app and connect to any location. After the connection is established, check by running the Instagram application. The problem with the cache files can cause us to encounter many errors. To fix the cache issue, we can clear it so that it is configured. Access the Settings menu and tap on the Apps option. Then select the Instagram app and click on the Storage option to clear the data. After the data is cleared, run the Instagram app and check. The fact that the application is not up to date can cause us to encounter various errors like this. You can check for us to update the application by searching Instagram from Google Play Store or App Store. If a new update is available, you can check if the problem persists by performing the update process. The problem that occurs in the application can cause us to encounter various problems like this. We may need to reinstall the app for us to fix in-app errors. Completely uninstall the Instagram app from your device to reinstall the app. A new version can cause us to encounter various errors like this. We can fix the bug by getting the old version so that we can fix the software problems in the new version. Download the old version Instagram application by clicking the link in the article. First, uninstall the Instagram app installed on your device. Run the APK off file you downloaded and start the installation process. After the installation is complete, check if the problem persists. Yes, in this video we have provided information on how to fix Instagram page isn't available right now. If the problem persists, you can comment.